in there, and it's going to be relevant for our steel repair side, okay? So what you have to do is your task, yeah, or if you volunteer to do it, you compress your spring, yeah, so that's slotted across into a little keyway. Undo your idiot wheel. I'm not going to tell you why it's called that. You find that out for yourself. Take the piece off, put him down, get your keys, load it into your to the chamber. Yeah, keys are in. That's got to go the right way round. There's a round side. Slot him back on. Don't forget your idiot wheel. Put him back on. Uncompress that spring now, and then lock and load it. That's it. That's what you've got to do. But you're going to bit of fun, have a little dry run, bit of practice, and then you're going to go against the clock. That's why it's called quick draw McGraw. We want to see who the fastest gun is in this room. Yeah. So it's a bit of fun. The reasons why we're doing it are going to become clear as we go through the presentation. Because if your technicians aren't using this at work, in my opinion, there's something wrong. Because this is one of the best tools for repairing heavier stuff.